Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have the 3-in-1 wireless charger. It says 15 watt fast charging, and it charges your phone, your watch, as well as your AirPods. So here I have the AirPods Pro, I have a Apple Watch and my phone, and this is the device, nice matte black device. Has the lights going around the actual unit all the way around. You can shut the lights off by pressing this button right here. It turns them on and off, which is kind of nice. Back here is where you charge your AirPods. You just put them on like so. You'll see that it started to charge those. So that's nice. And over here you can put your watch. It has like a little divot right here. And just like that, starts to charge your watch. And then for your phone, all you have to do is put it on there. I have my case on here right now. As you can tell, I do have the magnetic case on here. I usually carry this thing. It has a little grip. So you take this off, because with this on, it will not charge, which is quite obvious. So then put it on here. And see, it's charging, and the light actually goes from that green to this kind of bluish purple color that's like kind of flashing very slowly. That's how you know that the phone is actually charging. But if you don't want that on, let's say it's on your nightstand and you know it's bothering you, you can turn it right off and you can turn it on. But that's how you know that the phone is charging. That light doesn't turn on when any of the other devices are on. It's only when your phone is on there. As you can tell, went back to green, even though these are currently charging. So something that I found out not so long ago, but it's actually a nice little device. Pretty much catches the charge right away. There's like a little rubbery thing at the bottom here to prevent your phone from sliding around. It is very, very light. You have like the little pads at the bottom here, so it doesn't move around. This is to dissipate heat. So here's the box that it comes with, which is to the side, right in here. Not much on the box, cool little box though. Trying to see if there's anything on the box telling us what other devices can be charged on here, but I'm guessing you could also charge and maybe you can't, I don't know, like a Samsung phone or something like that, because it does say up here you know, mainly charged for iPhone, iWatch, AirPods. So I don't know if this is strictly Apple product, you know, for Apple, like, you know, for Apple devices, but I can tell you that it does charge quite nicely. I charged it from 17% all the way up to 97% in, I'm not quite sure the exact timing of it. It wasn't, you know, the fastest. I could definitely get faster when it's wired charging, but it was pretty good. And, you know, I was sitting at my desk doing some work and I had it on here, and I like the angle of where the phone is here, so that way you can still kind of, you know, use it while you're while it's charging, while it's sitting there. You know, when you get a text message, phone calls, whatever, you can kind of quickly and nicely, easily look at those notifications coming through, or whatever else you want to be you know, on. If you want to go to ESPN and kind of scroll through what's happening, sports, you know, just kind of nice little viewing angle for you there. It is a very attractive piece that would fit nicely on a nightstand or any other place, really. Like I said, it's very light. I definitely like the color. The material here is like, I don't know how to explain it. I mean, it's definitely a plastic, but it has this like nice matte finish to it. Almost feels a little rubbery. Not like this thing down here. This is definitely rubber down here, but I don't know, it feels nice. So do recommend this for it being a nice attractive piece, nice and lightweight. Really won't look out of place. I'm not a big fan of like the green light per se. I do like this blue light, more purple light. I do like that a little bit more. But you know, it's not a deal breaker. I will say though that when nothing's on here at all and you don't have the light turned off, it is constantly green, so you can just shut that off quite easily. So that's actually quite nice, but it doesn't take away from the device at all. It has a nice little profile, isn't too wide. The cord here is a USB type C, and then the one to the wall is a USB A, but it does come with the charging brick, which is actually quite nice, because a lot of companies don't send the brick anymore. They just send you the, you know, the cord, the wire, whatever you want to call it, that plugs into the unit, and then you gotta get your own brick to plug into the wall if you want to use it that way. But this one does come with the actual brick, which is actually quite a nice touch. So I highly recommend this 3-in-1 wireless charger for its sleekness, the size, the weight, and the fact that it charges 3 of your devices, so you don't have to have like a massive amount of cables everywhere. You have your buds, AirPods, you have your watch, and then your phone. So quite nice little system going on here. Very much like it. Perfect colors. For me, I'm into everything matte black, so this is quite perfect. So there you have it.